So dealing with our shower floor, a couple of things we want to show you that help us out a whole lot. So for one, our laser actually goes all the way around. Okay, all the way around. Very vibrant, very green line shows up, really good. So, you know, typically your cheaper lasers will give you a 180 view. You want one that goes 360. It just makes getting your screed line, it just makes all that for the dry pack so much easier. So we, minimum side 1.5 degrees to 2 degrees. We like to be 1.8, 1.9 when we're dealing with rock. Give it a little bit more of a slope, staying under the 2 degree pitch line. But even at 2 degrees with rocks, there's so many grout joints and everything, it's just going to allow that water to flow really nicely. So once we figure out our mark over here, we actually use a 2x4, sit right on the corner, hits that wall exactly, and then I put my digital level up here that shows me degrees. So we actually do the math. You want to be 3/4 to an inch with your one-piece drain. We like to be 7/8 right in the middle, and then from that point, 1/4 inch per foot out, we're 30 inches away. We treated at like 36, so we're going to end up with a really nice like 1.9 degree slope all the way around perfectly for our drain. So again, with the rock and everything, a lot of that discrepancy as to where you really need to be depends on the thickness, the tile, how it lays, all that. So with the rock, we want to be on the higher side. 1.8, 1.9 degrees is perfectly good slope, even to coming on into our drain here. So now that we got all this figured out, we're going to use that laser line back there as our screed line. I'm going to set the dry pack higher than the laser line, about 1/4 inch, 3/8, just kind of build it up. That way, as I'm pushing that, tapping that down with my float, we're going to tap it all down to the laser line. We're going to end up taking our screed boards and we're going to make a screed line right into the drain. That way we can start filling all that in with the proper slope coming in from every direction.